Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some juice. We'll be using pineapple, celery, cucumbers, apples, and pears. So first we gotta start off by washing the fruit, which I already did. Then we're gonna cut up some of the fruit, but don't cut it like too small. It'll save time. So then you put it in the thing. Then you gotta get some other ingredients, like first say an apple, cut it. Since this is a smaller apple, you don't need to cut it that much. So you can just put it in here. We got some bit of cucumber. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in the juicer. Then we got some pear. It's so hard to cut. Okay, we got this. And you have to cut it into 4 pieces. And put them all in. And then, usually, I add some ginger. So, I'm gonna put that in there. Sorry, I'm in trouble breaking it. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna just put this in. Then you gotta cut the pineapple. Gotta move the celery out of the way. Alright, so I start off by cutting off the top. Then flip it over, cut off the sides. I'm trying to get as much of the fruit as possible, so I don't waste anything. If I do, then I can just like kind of hollow it out a little bit. Like that. Kind of like hollowing out a watermelon. So then you put that in, put this in, turn it on, then it should start juicing. Yep. Okay, well, that's my juicing video. See ya.